Hi, my name is Salim and I'm from Oman. I work as a senior vice president for one of the international companies and have been associated with corporate world for a long while, almost 25 years. So I've done a few courses with Rivesh ji since the time he once came and conducted a course in Muscat, and his presence has been very charismatic. So I had a concept in my mind when I came in for this course. Concept was more perhaps towards learning a different kind of leadership, perhaps more compassionate leadership, ethical leadership. So I came in with an open mind, and the course has left me astonished in terms of what I expected. It's very difficult to convey that the messages that were conveyed in this particular training I haven't encountered in the best of the trainings I've had in many places, including the West. The methodology that was used for training was very simple, was more on the concept of making you understand at a deeper level the real meaning of leadership and compassion that perhaps helps you at all areas of life, starting from your personal growth to your contribution to family and the society at large. Some of the areas that were covered I have never heard in my life so far, and every day was a new day, unexpected, and I've quite clearly seen conventional training failing or having less impact over a period of time. So I would highly recommend his association and this course for any walk of life, whether you intend becoming a trainer or you just have leadership or you are a house worker, whatever walk of life. It will benefit you in grounding yourself. It will benefit you in operating from a position of power. So I highly recommend this course. Thank you.